Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about the flight yoke right here, but everyone's been asking me like how do I set this to speed brakes, like how do I set speed brakes to the flight yoke. Hold up guys, just give me 1 second here. Oh, I forgot to do okay, so yeah, that's all on. Okay, let's do that. Let's go over to settings here. And you see from settings, you'll want to go to front of throttle. Okay, so this one right here, you'll always want to keep this for speed brakes. Okay, so that'll be mixture number 1. Just search up speed brakes, which are right here. Then I also have this one for flaps, this one for throttle, and then if you push down, it's reverse thrust right there. Okay guys, like keep that up there. Toggle rotor brake. Oh wait, no, I have to set these right here. Landing light toggle. Apply. So get landing lights. This one will have to be navigation. L-I. Taxi light toggle. Apply. Number 6 will be taxi light toggle. Apply. Number 7 will be strobes. And number 8 will be landing gears. Landing. I think it's spelled G. Nope. Alright, that will be it for there. Okay guys, so yeah, for ado, let's get into it, okay? So now we have all that. We want this to hit apply to all and done. Start new flight. We'll go to the head over probably to one that has probably the better speed brakes. I think we're starting on runway. Not too sure here. Give some time to load and I'll be back. So with that said, guys, so yeah, that's how I did the speed brakes. It's right here. Followed that all the way up, and they come down and up like that. Here are for the flaps. Just let me into the overwing view. So there we go. All right. So as soon as you pull this down, the flaps retract. Just like that. It takes some time to come out, but that's okay. Again, that was a terrible landing that you saw. I landed directly on the grass. Don't know why. I believe it's just because I'm not used to big planes like this. Alright, those are going up. And yeah, like and subscribe for on peace, y'all.